Concept maps are used to visualize and capture or convey a quick understanding of a web of related concepts. Flying logic setup. Concept maps are created using the entity classes in the provided domain file conceptmap.logic-d in the examples/conceptmap folder. You can either import this domain as an existing document with the entity import domain command, or open it in the file open command, in which case it acts like a template document and opens a new untitled document with the concept map domain already imported and ready for use. Structure of concept maps. Concept maps use two entity classes: concept, indicated by a dot, and relation, indicated by an arrow. Symbols were used for the entity class names instead of the words because concept maps are read entirely from their entity titles, and the words concept and relation are never spoken. Concept maps start with one or more main concepts at the root, and relations are used between concepts to connect in supporting concepts. The main rule when building concept maps is that each concept to relation to concept step should be readable as a complete sentence. Additional relevant concepts can be added in any order and connected in as many places as they are used.